To properly install any anchor retaining wall system, you must maintain running bond. Correct running bond is when blocks are centered over the vertical joints of the previous course and looks like this. When blocks get off bond, your wall will look like this. Maintaining running bond adds to wall stability and makes your wall system aesthetically beautiful. Any wall that is not perfectly straight will eventually run off bond. When this occurs, skip a block position and slide your block into the next place where it's back on bond. Measure the remaining gap and trim a block to fit. This trimmed block is called a partial unit. Partial units shouldn't be less than 5 inches and should not be placed directly on top of each other. Once a partial unit is in place, adhere with a concrete adhesive. If the gap is larger than the length of one block, divide the measurement by 2 and put 2 partial units in place.